Check this out. We're on Heartland Mill Road, and we're coming up on the cutest little bridge. You come up this little hill here and check it out, all the way up. Isn't that cool? Yeah, check these out. You guys are gonna like this next scene. Check out the waterfall. Pretty neat. Scoot forward a little bit. You know what? While we're here, we're in the middle of traffic, but this is a quiet road. We're not going to be out here long. Isn't that the cutest little stream ever? If you guys are watching the channel, I got covered in blood. I can't think of a better place to maybe take a bath. Like and subscribe, dale like, compartir, suscríbete. Yo necesito el baño, necesito el lave. Madre, yo necesito lave mi culito, madre. Ay, ay, ay. Ciao.